Hey, welcome to Yapbooks. In this video I'll show you how simple and easy it is for a teacher to start managing and encouraging their pupils to start reading at home. I'll show you how to create and join classrooms, how to invite pupils, how to set homework or reading tasks, and most importantly, how to monitor your pupils' reading progression whilst reading at home. Let's get into it.
First things first, as a teacher we need to create our classroom. So let's head over to the settings. We're then going to click the Classroom tab. Let's tap Create Classroom and type in our unique classroom name. This is important as this is how our pupils will join our classroom. Now that our classroom has been created successfully, it's time to set our homework or reading tasks. Let's head over to the Yap library. Here we can choose from a variety of books and reading materials. We can also look through each book's description to make sure it's suitable for our pupils. I've added Noisy Walk, Phonics Phase 1, and I'll also be adding Say and See. All I have to do is click Get Book. You can now see the books we've added in our reading list. So it's now time to invite our pupils. Heading over to our email, we'll see that we've been sent a PDF invite. We can print it out and give it to our pupils, or send it to our pupils' parents via email. Now it's time for our pupils to join the class. Once they've received their invite, they can now create their own accounts and head over to the settings. They'll click the Classroom tab and tap Join. This is where they'll enter the unique classroom name that you've created. Once they've joined, they can now see all the books you set as homework. So, it's now time to read a story, but before we do that, we need to make sure our pupils are in Learn mode, as this will help us monitor their reading progression. I'm now going to read I Am Doing. I am waving. I am jumping. I am stretching. Once I've read my story, it's time to check my scores. Here, your pupils will see stars for how many words they've read correctly, reading accuracy, reading duration, and badges that they can collect. Hitting the send icon at the bottom of the screen then emails both teacher and parent with an in-depth report of that reading session. Let's head back over to the teacher's account. You can now see that our pupils have joined the class. We can now also see their reading progress next to each reading task or book that we've set. For a more insightful view on their reading session, let's head over to our email. Here we can see a report that provides much more detail, such as a teacher and a reader, a date and time for easy comparison between reading sessions, words read correctly and words read incorrectly, as well as commonly missed words that we can pick up on and provide extra support and guidance, whether it's in the classroom or at home.
And there we go, that's everything you need to know about managing and encouraging your pupils to start reading at home. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our others. We have loads of different videos for different features of the app. We also have online webinars that you can attend for extra information. And if you need to contact us straight away, then give us an email at classroom@yapbooks.com. We'll see you soon.